Thinking about establishing an LLC in Oklahoma? No worries. We're here to guide you through the process step by step. It's simpler than you might think, and with a few insider tips, you can avoid common pitfalls and save on fees. Let's jump right in. First, selecting the right name for your business is crucial. Many applications get rejected simply because the proposed name is too similar to an existing one. You don't want your LLC confused with another company, especially in the same state. Be creative yet follow the rules. Your name must include limited liability company, limited company, or their common abbreviations like LLC or LC, with or without periods. Abbreviations like LTD for limited or CO for company are acceptable too. Before finalizing, conduct a name availability search. This can be done via the Oklahoma Secretary of State's online database, by phone, or even in person. If your preferred name is taken but you're not ready to file immediately, a name reservation can hold it for 60 days for a $10 fee. Once your name is confirmed free, securing a matching domain is a smart move for your future online presence. Many affordable options are available, and even if you aren't ready to launch a website right away, having the domain reserved can save time later. Next, you'll need a resident or registered agent. This person or service receives official communications, including legal notices or documents if someone sues your business. The agent must have a physical address in Oklahoma, not just a P.O. box, and can be you, a trusted person, or a registered service. When you choose a commercial resident agent, it typically costs around $10 or less monthly, but offers privacy and convenience. You won't have your personal address listed publicly, and they'll handle your mail. Consider services like Filing Fox, which provide mail scanning and virtual access, saving your time and safeguarding your privacy. Moving on to the core paperwork. Filing your articles of organization. This document includes your LLC's name, physical address, contact email, the duration of your LLC, and the resident agent's details. Filing options include an online portal, mail, or in person. The online route is straightforward and quick. Simply visit the Oklahoma Secretary of State's portal, select the LLC filing section, and complete the form. The fee is $100 with additional charges for in-person or credit card payments, a 4% fee. If your LLC was formed elsewhere but plans to operate in Oklahoma, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC using similar options. While not mandatory, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. This inside document clarifies ownership stakes, voting rights, profit sharing, and daily operations, an essential tool for preventing misunderstandings among members and providing clarity for banks or lenders. To help, you can access free templates through Filing Fox, making it easier to formalize your business structure. Finally, getting an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS is essential for tax purposes, opening bank accounts, or hiring employees. The application is free and can be completed online in just a few minutes. After your LLC is set up, there are ongoing tasks. You'll need to file an annual certificate with the state, which costs $25 to keep your information current. Protect your limited liability status by keeping personal and business finances separate. Use dedicated bank accounts and credit cards. Building credit and obtaining appropriate business insurance will also shield you from potential risks. Creating a website is almost a must-have for credibility and growth. Reliable domain registrars like GoDaddy, which, like Filing Fox, is trusted and authorized, can get you started. Remember, services like Filing Fox can make many of these steps hassle-free, especially in handling your mailing and legal documents. All resources and links mentioned are in the description below. We hope this overview helps you see how manageable it is to create your Oklahoma LLC. For any questions or support, reach out to us at info@filingfox.com. And don't forget, having the right partner makes the process smoother and saves you time so you can focus on what matters most: growing your business.